Hi, today I'm going to share 3 great reasons to garden vertically. But if we haven't met before, my name is Angela Judd from Growing in the Garden. I love to share garden tips and helpful information so you can be successful in your own garden. Gardening vertically, it's one of my favorite topics. I've added lots of different ways to garden vertically to my garden. One of my favorite things I've added recently are these arches from gardeners. Really love them. Simple to put together, really easy to add to the garden, and my plants are loving them. So let's get to it. The 3 reasons that I think it's important to garden vertically. First reason, who doesn't want more room in their garden? No matter how big your garden is, we always want more space. Growing vertically allows us to maximize the space in the air for our gardens. You can see these pole beans climbing right up this arch, happy as can be. This is using all of this vertical space in the garden. Great reason to garden vertically. Alright, now for the second reason I love to garden vertically. If your garden plants are sprawled all over the ground, who hasn't come up and picked up a leaf and found pests and rodent damage? I know I have. Gardening vertically gets those plants up off the ground and into the air. So not only is it more difficult for those pests to get to your garden, but it's also easier for you to spot it. So gardening vertically kind of prevents and helps you keep an eye on what's going on with your plants and helps you have healthier plants. Okay, the third reason that I love to garden vertically is because the increased air and sunlight that plants get when you garden vertically increases production. That's the reason we garden. We want to be able to harvest more. Gardening vertically allows us to increase production and get more vegetables, get more fruits. That increased air and sunlight makes it easier for the plants to grow. They're happier, I'm happier, and the bonus, it's a lot easier to pick and harvest fruits and vegetables when you can see them and they're not sprawling on the ground. So there you have it, 3 of my favorite reasons to garden vertically. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much. I hope you get to spend some time in the garden today.